It's the little things in life that make you who you are, the things that influence you. I read, I travel, I become. This time, I am going to bring you to one of the best travel destination in the country, the province of Albay. Picture kita daw. Actually guys, we are going to see some caves here in Albay. It seems like they have everything. They have caves, they have hills, they have lake, Mayon. They have what it takes to be what? Malapit na. Malapit na daw. Malapit nang mapagod.
Malapit nang mapagod.
At gumive up. This is the actual lava.
Ano tawag ng metamorphosis?
Metamorphic.
Metamorphic.
Ang ganda. So yung feeling na at last nahawakan mo yung lava na mumula dyan sa Mayon. Even though hindi siya nagpapakita. Kasi minsan guys, may mga bagay na masarap i-feel kahit hindi mo nakikita. Yan siya. Kaya sabay ba to? Sumlang Lake. We are here at Sumlang Lake. Hi! Bakit? Bakit tinawag sa Okay, so puntahan natin yung kasi yung lake na to, kikita nyo ganito. So, ang saya guys when you're here. And yan, nakikita nyo yung mga upuan dito. Saka maganda kasi yan. And this is the Sumlang Lake. Alright, so I am here at Sumlang Lake. Actually maraming mga isda dito. And doon merong restaurant. And doon pala yan. And by the way, pag hindi siya yung Mayon, dyan sana siya. But anyway, sobrang hiya niya talaga sa akin. So, and maraming pumupunta na turista dito guys. So ayan, ganda. Oh, pwede.
Uy, wala, paghapon tayo picture kita.
Ito yung bagay sa, yung upuan na bagay sa inyo, yung may forever.
Oo nga.
Forever. Sana oil.
Sana all.
Ang mahal kasi ng oil ngayon. Yes.
Kumagin na to, pati ko kakuan. O, kana.
Kaya okay lang naman, 'di ba? Okay lang, akala nyo kayo may forever. Ako din, ito siya. Kaya ito na lang.
Sabi tayo, ubos na.
Ay, forever ka na.
Ganun sa akin.
1,000 years
Please, wag mo kong iwan na.
6.5 hours.
Sige, mo kulay na sa daro na to ka na.
Here in Sulong Eco Park, we have here these dragon fruits. So, nakaka-amaze talaga yung dragon fruit. Ang ganda. Ang sarap siguro nito. Kaya ito yung mga dragon fruit. Ang dami eh. So, ito yung mga dragon fruit na ang lalaki na. Pwede na itong kainin guys. So, pwede gawing ice cream. Ang dami. We're on the top. Ganda dito. I'm on the top of the world looking.
Kaya mo yan, gago na.
Tapos,
Dala ka na
this is it. Woo! Meron pa. This is it na. Bala kayo dyan. Wow, yung hangin. Na kasi hindi na siya perfect. Kaya chocolate hills. Hi. Dito, get alright. Let's go. Oh, ayun. Yung parang Bali inspired na. So ngayon on the top of Albay. So guys, it's like chocolate hills in Bohol, but anyway, it's chocolate hills. Nice. So we also have here the nest. So manigitlog ko na. Alright guys, so I am here at Sulong Cave. So sabi nila meron daw mga crystal sa loob. And I believe stalagmites and stalactites. Well, let's see later. I'm just waiting for the tour guide to come in for me to, be toured inside. So again, this is my tour guide, Harold. So yan, pasukin na natin to.
Ikaw, bakit hindi ka nag-ingat?
Alright, nasa loob kami ng cave, Sulong Cave. So, yeah. So again, yung pailalim, yung stalactites. Yung paibaba, stalagmites. Saka pag nag-ano sila, nag-connect, magiging crystal. Oh yeah, it's crystal. Wow.
Ito kasi, makikita nyo, parang may mga tip-tip pa. Kasi dati naka-open lang po. So,
It's
hindi,
really
hindi pa
crystal.
nabili ng owner, yung current na owner. Open lang siya. Ngayon na ako yung mga crystal. May ganun, parang sinupok na yun.
Oh yeah, ito yung nakita ko sa biyahe ni Drew. Baka gusto mo Alright guys, so I am actually here fronting Cagsawa ruins, and basically we can see here a lot of kiosks for actually selling souvenirs in pasalubongs. So you can see here apas, yeah, and then a lot of Bicolan delicacies and food. So basically belly nuts. So this is belly nuts. This is actually abundant in Bicol.
Ah, hindi pa. Bukas pa. Umaga.
Maganda, di ba? Binili mo, sir?
Ito lang. Ito lang naman. Pasalubong.
Okay. Do you think pagugustuhan nila to? Ano to?
Actually, ito, natikman ko na to eh. Nadala to ni Daddy sa bahay. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya binili.
Okay. Ito, yema? Ano to? Pastillas.
Ito,
Sa Pinoy talaga, lahat-lahat na lang, no? Ang daming varieties, oh. Oh my gosh.
yun.
Gusto kong pasalubong doon sa Negros. Galing dito. Tao.
Oh my! Mahugot ka na naman eh.
Joke. Joke lang.
Ito, 100 to. Sa wakas. Nakita.
Kaya yan.
Ayan. Yung ordinary, yung bilog. Ordinary yung bilog.
Ito yung pili nuts, guys. Di ba pag bubuksan to, martelyuhon talaga?
Ita. Hahatiin ng dalawa.
Tapos parang broken. So, makikita natin yung real lava na binuga ng Mayon year 2016. So, talaga. If you can see, guys, ayan yung parang ang tataas ng mga niyog na yan. And you can see natabunan talaga siya. So grabe talaga. Siguro sa travel na to, what I can encourage to my viewers is don't be a stranger to your own country. It's nice when you really see the beauty of our country, which is the Philippines. It's very awesome. It's wonderful. There are a lot of things to discover here. And guys, when you're traveling, don't be a tourist. Be a traveler. Kasi yung pagta-travel naman, maraming nabibigay sa atin na lessons. yung lesson na sometimes healing consists of seeing new things and writing the years from your heart. Sometimes healing is laughing until you cry. It is kissing your friends' faces and being moved and inspired by your life. And sometimes healing is rest. It is hiding from the world. It is having everything inside of you be still and quiet and eerily bare. Sometimes healing feels nothing at all, like you are a silhouette of hope and hurt at the same time. Do not fight it. Whatever your healing looks like today, whatever it consists of, just allow it to be what it is. Just take care of yourself. Just take care of your heart next time. Thank you so much, Mayon Volcano.